What if I told you that you could build a professional-looking website in less than a minute? Sounds impossible, right? Well, thanks to the rise of AI, that's now a reality. In this video, I'll show you an amazing example, a website built entirely in under a minute using a secret AI tool. The results are incredible, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. So stick around and watch the full video to see how you, too, can create a stunning website using AI. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more AI updates. So today we are using Zarla's AI tool. Zarla is an AI-powered website builder designed for people who may not be designers or coders. It helps you with everything: writing website content, designing a logo, and launching your website. And Zarla makes it easy for local businesses to get found online by using SEO best practices and local marketing tools. Let's build website using Zarla.com. First, go to Zarla's website at Zarla.com. You'll be greeted by a simple interface featuring the AI website builder, which is what we're here for. You'll need a business name for your website. In my case, I'll use Shafin as the name of my business. Then click Create My Website. Next, choose your industry. This is where your services are categorized, whether you're a videographer, a pressure washer, an interior designer, or any other kind of business. I'll choose video editing since that fits my business. After that, describe your business. This is where you tell Zarla what your business is all about. For example, I teach small business owners how to edit professional-looking videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. The more details you provide, the more accurate your website's content will be. Once you've filled it out, click Create Website and let Zarla work its magic. In just a few seconds, Zarla will create 3 essential things: a business logo, a 5-page business website, including a home, about us, services, portfolio, and contact page. Well-written website content based on the information you provided. Let's look at what Zarla generated for me. On the home page, you'll see my new logo on the left and the tagline, "Learn professional video editing with Shafin," which directly reflects what my business does. There's even a call to action button to get started, leading to wherever you want, like your social media or payment page. The About Us section gives a concise description of my business, and Zarla even added relevant images that fit my industry. Now, remember, AI isn't perfect, so you can always edit these images or any text to fit your style. Scrolling further down, we get to the services page, which outlines what I offer: filming techniques, video editing, etc. Then there's a portfolio section where I can upload examples of my work, like images, showcasing what I do best. Finally, there's the contact page, complete with a form for potential customers to reach out to me. Now, if you want to fine-tune any part of your website, just click the Edit button at the bottom of the page. You can change anything from the logo to the text, images, and even the layout. When you're happy with your site, click Launch to publish it online. In the Edit section, you can easily customize the entire page, including the header, About section, footer, and more. You can also upload images. I'm adding some to my website right now, and you can even upload your past work in the portfolio section. Next, let's move on to the Style section. Here, you can change the colors of your website with a variety of stylish options, and you can also update the fonts to match your brand's vibe. If you want a fresh start, the Regenerate section allows you to recreate your entire website, including the logo, color scheme, and fonts with just one click. And finally, in the Live section, you can preview your entire website before publishing it. Zarla also helps boost your online visibility by utilizing SEO, Google Business Profiles, Facebook pages, and Yelp to ensure our clients attract more customers. This can help Zarla built websites rank on the first page of Google for their search terms. Zarla offers 2 pricing options: a yearly plan at $8.10 per month, which totals $97 per year, a monthly plan at $9 per month. They also offer a free website plan. All plans come with unlimited hosting, a free SSL certificate, and premium customer support. Paid plans come with a customer domain and marketing support. I've left a link to this tool in my video description, so if you're a business owner who needs a professional website fast, head over to Zarla.com and let Zarla take care of the rest. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.